Welcome back traders. Today we are reviewing one of the most incredible weeks on Nasdaq. Following our ORB strategy, we secured a 100% win rate from March 9th to March 13th. Even when we hit some stop losses, our recovery rules kept us in green. Let's break down the charts. Yes, starting on Monday, March 9th, we had a tricky start. The first trade was bearish breakdown that hit our stop loss, but we stayed disciplined. Following our Martingale rule, we took the buy entry with double lot size and it smashed the 100% target. Look here, this was the 100% target at 24675. So it gave us around 175 points. On Tuesday, the market showed some volatility. Our initial sell entry hit the 50% target, but the momentum shifted. We flipped our position into a buy and Nasdaq rallied flawlessly to hit the 100% target. Two targets in one day. So the entry was from 25052 and it hit our 100% TP at 25170. Now let's see what happened on Wednesday. Wednesday had a tight 60-point range between 25089 to 25028.83. So we first saw a sell side breakout that hit the 50% target easily. However, the price reversed rapidly. Following the rules, we entered the buy side and Nasdaq exploded to hit the 100% target. So another day, another win. On Thursday, March 12th, the bears took total control. We saw a clean bearish breakdown below the ORB low of 24707. Nasdaq plummeted up with heavy momentum, smashing through the 50% level and hitting our 100% sell target of 24602. A straight move to profit. So this was very profitable day. Now let's see what happened on the last day of the week. Now on the last day of the week, on finally Friday, March 13th, with a massive 185 point range, our first buy attempt hit the stop loss. However, staying disciplined, we caught the bearish breakdown on the second attempt. Nasdaq crashed straight to our 100% target, closing our perfect week with a massive win. It gave us around 185 points. So that's 5 winning days out of 5. Even with some initial stop losses, our Martingale and recovery logic proved that this is the ultimate trading system for Nasdaq. Now let's see how many points this ORB strategy gave us this entire week. Here we made around 645 points this entire week. If you want to automate your success, you can get our custom ORB indicator or the full auto trading tool. Check the contact details in the description. Also join the alpha features using my link here to start your funded journey. This is Moin from MK Management Solutions LLC. Subscribe for more daily and weekly reviews. Happy trading. Thank you.